everyone. All Pro Exterior Services here. We'll try today to take you on a journey of us. If I can remember to record and have time to record, nobody's on my back. But this is what we typically do. We get set up in the morning, fill up our ice chests with drinks and ice. Got the ice machine here. Top off our soap just about every day, just to make sure we got enough soap. Just kind of do a visual walk around of the trailer. We're gonna need to get SH today. Check the fuel in the tank at about a half a tank, so we should be good there. Again, just take a visual. Yesterday I was rinsing heavy, so let me put my soap on 5, put this SH back some where I usually use it. Just take a look at everything. We had a leak in the bypass, so I gotta fix this, but it's not gonna be today. Well, maybe later, but not right now. Everything looks good, so all connected. We ready to roll. And again, I just wanted to kind of try to take you on the journey of our day. It's a beautiful sunshiny day, so we're about to roll out and head to the first job for the day. All right, catch up. Peace. Hey, what's up, guys? Here at this house, the first job. It's not too bad. This guy's wants the dust knocked off. We'll do a little bit of flat work. Tony's on property protection. This is a subdivision, very high-end subdivision. We've done quite a few homes in here, and they're very close together. Kind of resembles the New Orleans ambiance in a newer fashion. So, anyway, property protection. We're gonna get rolling. All right, guys. Settings. Soap's on 5, water's all the way open. We're gonna put this right at 3.5. That seems to be the good spot for me. And then you got it open, Tony? You ready? All right, so we're gonna go get rolling. Crank it up, and I'll get some footage here in a minute. All right, peace. Alright, guys, we're wrapping it up now. Sorry I didn't get more footage, but people been out, so we couldn't really get too much footage. And look, these houses has those little hangovers, man. They're a pain in the butt. Kind of kicking our butt. We're gonna Tony put a little scrub on it, but he's doing the surface cleaning now, just doing a driveway. So water on my plants. All right, guys, we'll catch up with you in a few minutes on our next job. Peace. And girls, pulled up on this property. You probably remember it. A couple weeks ago, we did the screen. I don't know if I put a video out yet. I got footage, I think. I don't know. Anyway, we got hired to come do a screen, and we do gutters every 2 weeks. Not the front, they got leaf cords, but in the back, you'll see. I'll show it to you. And we're going to blow the roof off. So it's a walkable roof. We'll get up there, blow it out, clean it up, bag it up, and roll out. And the last job, I apologize for not getting much footage. Customer was just honest, man. Honest. Like, you know, hold a piece of grass. You know, so I got to do a little better job of interviewing my customers before we go doing some stuff like that. So anyway, we'll catch up with you in a minute. Let's get set up. Peace. As we had it, Tony up there just blowing the stuff off, cleaning the debris. It shouldn't be too long of a job, maybe a little 20-30 minutes. But let me show you the back. I don't remember a video. Maybe I did do video of this. So we got a setup. She's a real estate agent, so she already said, look, any houses I need to get done, you're my guy. So we did this cage the other day, and around that cage they got big gutters. So it goes all around, and no pool, it's just a hot tub. So we're gonna go ahead and hit all that and roll out. All right, guys, we'll catch up in a minute. And oh, you know, one other thing, like I told her, I'll probably go ahead and do. See right here, a little bit of roof area under the soap. I'm gonna probably just hit it with about a 2. I ain't gonna hit it with a heavy 6%er to do a little downstream. I mean, not downstream. Probably put it on about 4 or 5 on my SH. my AR and just hit it real quick. Just real quick. So after Tony blows it, that's what I'm gonna do. So all right, we'll catch up. Peace. All right, guys. Went ahead and wet these plants down a little bit. I'm not even hooking up the water. I'm gonna just try to run a little bit through here and then roll with it. We're just gonna hit this little area. And I'll spike the bleach up a little bit. So yeah, just gonna hit it a little bit. That's all it needs, a little love. That's it. This is the kind of people you take care of, you know what I mean? Like, you see a little something, just take care of them, man. Part of the process. This ain't no strong mix, but it's enough to get that down. That wasn't too bad. In fact, I'll go ahead and turn my bleach off because I'm done. Hit this little angle here. We're still good on water, so I'll run this out here. Bingo. Bingo, baby. In the shade too? What? My kind of work. We'll run it out. Tony's almost done with the gutter, so okay, we got water. So I'm gonna rinse this down a little bit. My windows. Okay, so got any overspray? Okay, that's good. Oop, let's not ring the plant. Yeah, you see, if you do things like that, and you do it, you know, we got a couple of accounts that we do this with, and you just use a house wash mix, and if you do it so often, it works out. Done. Don't look on water. Good. Just in case. These are some nice accounts here. We got a downspout right here. Yeah, those leaf guard gutters are nice, but they're expensive. All right, well, it's a wrap. Yeah, just hit it a couple times. Every time we come, if we see a spot, we'll just hit it with a... I'll show you my settings. I didn't go all out roof mix, but it wasn't that bad anyway, you know. Keep bending. Always just hit this on like that, so it leaves it open. Yeah, we was right at 5.6. Not a big deal. Got it done, Tony? I hit that roof too. So we're done. So I'm talking about, baby. Let's put our bypass on. Release the pressure. Right. Zip it up. This is a beautiful, this subdivision's pretty expensive. I think the lots back here go for about $400 or $500, just the ground. But that's what you get. Security guard coming in and out this joint. It's good. Life is good. Reel this bad boy up. Yeah, we're probably gonna go grab something to eat. An 18-inch hose. Hose reel, baby. Set you guys up so you can see me. This is real reality TV. An A reels, baby, an A. And we come up like this. Okay, we're good. Golden goose. And I put the towel down because we got that oil leak. I don't want that to get on no customer's property. All right, we'll catch up. Peace. The unit that we're in are leaving now. Check it out, how beautiful, man. Come out on the right day, knock some golf balls around. Be nice. All right, guys, catch up. Peace. Back at you. Getting some gutter cleaning in. Got a beautiful home here. Hey, this is a very nice subdivision on a golf course. We come in here for a few houses we've done, not many, but anyway, got a call from Google. Ended up getting a call for the gutter cleaning. Came out the quota. We brought the trailer. We're here. We're gonna knock it out. Upsole on the whole driveway and a house wash. That's going to be a later thing. So my point again, when you're doing, you walk around with your customer, quote gutters, look at things like that. You know, the driveway was nasty. It's good. It's good. We're here. We got a few packed. This side's packed because of the trees, so you can see all the trees in here, but the rest of it doesn't seem to be as bad. So we'll get it run out. All right, guys, catch up with you. Hey. Almost finished this little job. Look at this beautiful, look at a beautiful pool. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I need right there. Anyway, we up here just, they got guards on this side, which is strange, but it's a little bit more challenging than normal, but we got it. Using a water hose to help push some of that stuff out once it goes to the gutter. And then look, all that mold up there. I don't know if you can see it. We're gonna see all this stuff come out here in a second. Gutter calls. So I'm gonna recommend to this customer that we remove the guards. The challenge is they riveted in, so we got to drill them out. But we're gonna clean out this downspout and show you what we're talking about. You got to kind of move the guards out the way. It's the guards are half broken anyway. What?
You need to watch out for this thing, because it is a lot.
Yeah, so we gotta see the guards up there, and man, to get your hand, look at that. To get your hand between that and the roof, it's tough. Oh, we're already getting flow. It's already flowing, Tony.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Yeah, look at that. Look at it. So now we can use our method. Let's see, guys. Look at that. Oh, that's debris. Oh, clogging a downspout. What's that, Tony? Oh, wow.